Hi there and welcome to Year 4's Cracking Comprehension, number 1. The text today is Diary of a Killer Cat by Anne Fine. If you've never read it before, it's a cracking book and it's really quite funny. Give it a go. Let's get started. So The Diary of a Killer Cat by Anne Fine. I was still quite suspicious when we reached the vet's. That is the only reason why I spat at the girl behind the desk. There was no reason on earth to write "handle with care" at the top of my case notes. Even the Thompson's Rottweiler doesn't have "handle with care" written on the top of his case notes. What's wrong with me? So I was a little rude in the waiting room. So what? I hate waiting, and I especially hate waiting stuffed in a wire cat cage. It's cramped, it's hot, and it's boring. After a few hundred minutes of sitting there quietly, anyone would have started teasing their neighbours. I didn't mean to frighten that sick baby gerbil half to death. I was only looking at it. It's a free country, isn't it? Can't a cat even look at a sweet baby gerbil? And if I was licking my lips, which I wasn't, that's the only reason I was thirsty. That's only because I was thirsty. Honestly, I wasn't trying to pretend I was going to eat it. Trouble with baby gerbils is they can't take a joke. Neither can anybody else around here. Okay guys, we're going to have a look at some key questions. So the first question is, what was on the notice at the top of the cat's case notes? Pause now and think about your answer. Okay, the first thing you need to do to answer this question is figure out what the key words are that you're going to search for in the text. And now in this case, it's case notes. So you'll find that I have circled case notes in red, then I read the sentence. Even the Thompson's Rottweiler doesn't have "handle with care" written on top of his case notes. So the answer that we're looking for is "handle with care." Question number 2. How many other animals are mentioned in this text? Pause now and have a go at the question. Right guys, the first thing we need to do is we actually need to search for the names of specific types of animals in the text, and there's 2 of them. There's Rottweiler in paragraph 1 and there is gerbil in paragraph 2. Notice, however, that the answer to this question is 2. The reason why the answer is 2 because it asks for how many. It doesn't ask what are the names of the animals. Question 3. What does the cat mean by, and neither can anybody else around here? It's in paragraph 3. Well, if you have a look at that there, then you need to read the rest of the text. So, the trouble with baby gerbils is they can't take a joke, and neither can anybody else around here. So the answer to this question is, people in the room couldn't take the joke. They didn't find him funny and got cross with him. The cat's basically got no understanding about the thoughts and feelings of anybody but himself. So your task today is to answer the sheet based on this text. So question 1, I was still quite suspicious when I reached the desk. Suggest another word to replace suspicious that keeps the same meaning. Number 2, so I was a little rude in the waiting room. So what? I hate waiting. Paragraph 2. Underline the words that tell you that the narrator isn't sorry for being rude in the waiting room. Question number 3. What is the main idea of the second paragraph? Tick the best answer. Question number 4. The cat complains that baby gerbils can't take a joke. What was the cat doing that he might think was a joke? Question number 5. The cat often exaggerates, make things sound a bit more than they actually are. Give 2 examples from the text. Number 6. Which of the following is most likely to happen when the cat gets to see the vet? Tick one of them. So that's making a prediction. Good luck guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.